Hello, I'm Kathy Holt, an accountant and PowerChurch Plus software specialist. Here are some tips on group and detail accounts in the PowerChurch Chart of Accounts setup. When you set up a new chart of account item, it must be labeled as either a group account or a detail account. Group accounts will provide titles for sections in your chart of accounts. Group account numbers are assigned, but you will never use these accounts in a transaction. The purpose of group accounts is to serve as headings on reports. Detail accounts, however, are the chart of account items used to record transactions. Transaction amounts can only be posted to detail accounts. Each collection of similar detail accounts has a group account above it, which describes that particular set of accounts. For example, under a group account called Utilities will be detail utility accounts such as electricity, water, and gas. The group and detail chart of account number, combined with the level selected for each chart of account item, will determine the report layout as well as the placement of totals and subtotals. Check out our video on account levels for additional explanation. If you have any questions about group and detail accounts, please contact us at the number below. For more information and instructional videos about PowerChurch Plus software, PowerChurch Online, Church Payroll, Pastor Salary, Clergy Housing Allowance, QuickBooks for Churches, or large and small church accounting software, please visit our website at cpachurch.com.